In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can allow Instagram to notify your followers whenever it's your birthday. You can simply let people you're following and also your followers get notified whenever it's your birthday. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and select this option of Meta Verified. You will then select the option of Personal Details. Select Birthday right here. On this page, tap on Who can see your birthday on Instagram. It's just right here. Then click on Change Visibility on Instagram. In the section of Share your birthday with, mark on the last option of Followers and Follow Back. Tap on Save and your followers will always get notified whenever it's your birthday. That's how easy it is to get your Instagram followers notified when it's your birthday. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.